On this page, we have our fill in the blank. Your directions say fill in the blank with the best answer choice provided using the word bank provided. Your word bank is clothes, walk, subway, buildings, taxi, cities, cars, natural, small, apartments. Many people live here with blank neighbors. Number 2, urban communities are often called blank. Number 3, there is a blank amount of open space. Number 4, there are not many blank areas. Number 5, many people do not own their own blank to get around. Number 6, many blank have many stories to hold a large number of people. Number 7, people can pay for a blank to drive them where they need to go. Number 8, people can travel underground on the blank. Number 9, many people live in blank and share buildings with their neighbors. Number 10, people can often blank to where they need to go.